Philippine government on its acquisition plan to procure 1 squadron or 12 units of F-16V Fighting Falcon fighter jets. This was confirmed by our insider at the control and assembly plant facility inside Lockheed Martin. F-16 Fighting Falcon is a single-engine multirole fighter aircraft originally developed by General Dynamics for the United States Air Force USAF. Designed as an air superiority day fighter, it evolved into a successful all-weather multirole aircraft. Over 4,500 aircraft have been built since production was approved in 1976. Although no longer being purchased by the US Air Force, improved versions are still being built for export customers. In 1993, General Dynamics sold its aircraft manufacturing business to the Lockheed Corporation, which in turn became part of Lockheed Martin after a 1995 merger with Martin Marietta. By the next year 2016, Philippine Air Force fighter pilots that's already trained in flying a Korean-made FA-50 Golden Eagle fighter jet will be capable of flying this 4th generation F-16V fighter jets, which are the latest version of its class. According to Defense Secretary Voltaire Gazmin, the Philippines are considering this type of fighter jet and they are now in a process to acquire 1 squadron multirole 12 units F-16V Viper Fighting Falcon fighter jets through the help and offer of the United States military soft loan assistance package. This will help guard their territory against any intrusion in the West Philippine Sea. An approval of US Congress soft loan package is on its way, waiting for immediate signing and implementation. The project acquisition of 1 squadron 12 units F-16V Fighting Falcon fighter jets including parts, missiles, weapons, and training has a hefty price tag of around $386 million. Meanwhile, with the immediate passage of Senate Bill 1657 amending Section 53 of Republic Act 9184, the law allowing President Aquino to immediately negotiate and procure military assets directly through its friendly allies or to a government that has mutual security defense arrangement. Such military assets are fighter jets, warship, frigates and destroyers, GTAM ground-to-air missile or SAM surface-to-air missiles, attack submarines, attack choppers, and combat tanks for the use of the armed forces of the Philippines. Minimum credible defense posture.